Yeah, birds. Where are they going? Oh, because those big ones are coming. They're like ants. They're eating. Like something they drop off the tree when they come flying down. One flew away, got a bread on their mouth, on their beak. Oh, there's a big bird. They're starting to come up, come closer. There's one, two, three big birds, four, the big black birds. They're getting closer to the small birds. Where are you guys going? Bird, where are you going, bird? I give them some bread, the birds, so they can eat some. They can have breakfast this morning. The fences. Man, they're chowing down on that bread. There's more birds. Birds come down. Birds come down. Come have breakfast.